What's going on, guys? Phantom Flash here. We're going to be reviewing my 3D printed bay jabberwock, vorpal jabberwock. Combo I have current combo I have on it now is 00 wing dimension. So I'm going to review my 3D printed parts. Wing and jabberwock are obviously the 3D printed parts. There we go. Let's first do wing. Wing is my design, except not including the base part where the clips are. So this is my design. I made this on Tinkercad. It is a reversible frame that is supposed to go with vorpal jabberwock. That is a right rotation bay. So when it spins in this direction, it's slash mode, and in this direction, it's strike mode. So as you can see, it's double-sided. It shows dimension because of how tall the frame is. I don't really want it to scrape. Now for vorpal jabberwock. So here's the official version of it. Fortunately, the face that I had on it didn't come out so well. Kind of hard to see. So the blades on it are 4 jabberwock heads on there. I did my best to make it look like what I had for the original design that I had for it, if I can find it, which I can't right now. But yep, it fits very nicely. It's really tight, and yeah, it just worked out very well in printing. So let me just fully assemble this, and here we go. As I said, I used dimension because it's very tall, and it just works out very nicely. So the layer, so the printed parts are made out of plastic. And the layer is about 12 grams, and the frame is about 8 grams or 6, I think. So I'm a little reluctant to do a battle, but I still do have proto launchers. So yeah. Oh, I guess I should mention that my last launcher, the reason I haven't done any battle videos recently is because my launcher broke. The cord on the launcher, the pull cord, it broke. So yeah, that makes things very difficult to, especially for battles. So as I said, just going to use proto launchers from now on. Battles won't be very long since you can't really get much spin. But I guess I'll do a comparison between the /5's commissioned jabberwock, which is right here. Very round, a bit unbalanced. And my jabberwock. Very large and very aggressive. Yeah. I think we know who would win. Sorry, Slash, but yeah, I admit it's kind of true. But anyways, we're using this weak proto launcher. We're going to be testing jabberwock against a couple of random bays. So let's get into this. So let's start off with a pre-dual layer or single layer, whatever you guys call it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, this is going to be a force to be reckoned with. Yep, jabberwock is going to be OP. I can already say that. Even though this is just a dual, even though this is a pre-dual layer, Kirbyus is actually not that bad. by getting destroyed one hit by Jabberwock. Yeah, I can already tell. Let's move up a level. Dual layer. Unicorn. And TT. What's with the name Uber Unicorn? No. Unlock Unicorn. Uber is Hasbro. That's right. Is it? Tell me in the comments. Am I right? I don't remember. It's been a while since Dual Layer. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I love proto launchers. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Much better. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And yeah, I don't want to count that because I need to fix this stadium so bad. One more time. 3, 2. No, hold on. Keep having to do this. Alright, there we go. It should be leveled now. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, no way. Unicorn. Oh, Unicorn wins, but barely. Alright. One more time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And a burst finish on Jabberwock. Jeez. This thing, when it hits hard. Moving. Alright, we're going to do another dual layer. One of the underestimated ones, Madman Abatos. Probably one of the best in the dual layers. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. Does that count as a ring out? So yeah, as you see, Jabberwock does take damage. It took half damage at that one. Doesn't click, but it does do another triple click. That's incredible. Alright, another level up. Galaxy Zeus. So, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. When you wish you had editing. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Jeez. Wow. Jabberwock has no stamina. It just has no stamina. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh! So, Jabberwock is quite a bit like Winning Valkyrie. It's got immense attack power, but very little stamina. And the reason it has little stamina is because of its extremely wide size. So, I might go back and fix that, but yeah. I'm not going to do any Chozetsus because all of them are just left, because really the only one, because I only have 3 right now, and two of them are left rotations and one is Winning Valkyrie. So, yeah. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to print vorpal Jabberwock, it is on Thingiverse. You can also find it on Tinkercad, along with my other designs. So I'll leave a link in the description below to my page on Thingiverse. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment for more 3D printing or Beyblade videos. And I'll see you guys in a flash.